Hello everybody. I just wanted to show you something real quick about your anodes on your hot water tank. This is what happens if you let them go, from neglect after not checking your anodes from 6 months to a year. This is a hot water tank I just pulled out of salvage. Yeah, I'm stripping it down for scrap metal, but I'll turn around and show you. On the top of the water heater, there's usually a plug with an anode on it, and this is one that's been neglected for quite some time. Notice all the different sediments and stuff on here, and it's all rusted out. Normally they're supposed to be about a ½ inch thick when they're new, and this one has been neglected for quite some time. There's a whole bunch of sediment, calcium, lime scale. I'm sure the inside of the water heater probably looks the same way. This is what happens when you neglect your maintenance on your water heaters, therefore causing them to rust out and not work properly. Anyway, I forgot what I was going to say. I've only had about an hour's sleep, so I'm kind of right now. But anyway, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you on that. Check your anodes yearly. If you got a new water heater for 6 months, check it. Then 1 year after that. It's important. Keep your water tank properly maintained for long life.